Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel once again. Today we're going to be talking about cutting boards and making juice grooves on the cutting boards with none other than the Origin right here. Shaper just came out with some new updates on it and they're fantastic. I love it. It just made this whole task 10 times easier and faster by probing stuff. That's the new setting they put on there to probe. Let's get into it together, see how it goes. Pretty much we're not gonna be needing this stuff anymore to measure stuff. Maybe who knows, but I'm not gonna use it for this, so we're good. Just try it out, see how it goes, and let's go. All right, you guys, so for this part, what you want to do is new scan, then you hit the green button, start scan, and just scan your whole section. Scan it up. If you have a shaper, you know what this is about. Just make sure you get the whole cutting board, and this is just for your visual. In all reality, you don't need this whole bottom part, but it also gives you an idea if you need more tape or not. So it's always a good thing to go all the way back to where you think you're going to be cutting, you know. Once you're done, just hit finish, let it sync up. Okay, that's it. So then you go to create, and these are all the new settings. You got circle, slot, rectangle, pen, basic, so blah blah blah. You get the idea, right? These are the two new ones, the probe circle and the probe rectangle. So you hit probe rectangle, you lower the bit. How it's telling you on the screen, right? So boom, it's already done. So you set, there you go. You want to confirm the bit size, right? So I have a 1.25, which is a quarter, and then zoom out just to get an idea what you're doing. You know, I think that's the best. I try to do it the other way. So you want to probe this corner, boom, then you go all the way to the other corner, probe that one, boom, then you get 3 more. So you just do one here, 2, you do another one here, boom, then the last one you did on the other corner, and boom, and there it is. I don't know if you've seen the cutting board. There's your cutting board right there. Okay, so then after, what you want to do is you're gonna start setting up your cut. So that's already done, you're good, boom. So now right here, where's it at? Okay, 1 second. All right, you guys, so as you can see, it's already highlighted. I hope you guys can see that. You want to go like if we're cutting inside, right? So there it is. So right now I'm gonna change my bid that I have on there that I used to probe, which is a quarter shank. I'm gonna change it to half, to this round nose. That's what I'm gonna use to do the juice groove. So this one is 0.50, right? So let's just confirm. Well, actually I have to change the bid. Let me change it real quick and I'll get back to you. All right, I changed my view a little bit over here so you guys can see what I'm doing. So it's real. You have to disconnect it. Obviously you don't want to keep it plugged up. You don't want to accidentally turn it on. So always keep an old bid with you guys. You know, this is an old one for me. So like that, when you probe, it's all good, you know. And you put this one. These usually come like with a little line in the, up to how far in. Not too tight, you don't want to overdo it. A few times I kind of overdid it. Hope I didn't mess it up. Then you connect it back, and then tighten it up. All right, so everything's already tightened up, so we're good on that part. All right, so next thing you want to do before anything is you want to do the Z touch. You go to automatic, Hopefully it does it. Okay, boom, did it. Actually, I might have to do that again because I didn't change the bit size. So it's 0.50. That's, wait a minute. 0.50. Automatic. Okay, there it is. You got it done. Now if you go down to this, you hit inside, and then I figured for me it was best to do an offset, which is 0.75. So 3/4, and that brings it in. Let me zoom it out so you can see what I'm doing here. I don't know if you guys can see right there, but let me try to zoom in a little bit or get it closer. So that green line is the edges of the cutting board, and the black one is where the juice groove is gonna go. Like I said, I wish I had the auto pass. I think that would have made it 10 times faster, easier, where you don't have to be zooming, but whatever. It is what it is. I'm not gonna worry too much about it. For now, this is what we got. And let's start cutting, see how it goes. All right, y'all. All right, so for this part, I like to do an air cut. So you go here and you go to air. Hit done. Does that, and that's just to kind of scan the area, make sure the tape is not skipping or anything like that. Make sure your whole workspace is completely good. You keep going, just make sure you don't get no skips, like I said. Okay, right there went down a little bit, not too alarming. So it's good, the tape is good. As you can tell, I made this for my workstation, so it's gonna have some flaws, like right there it goes up like a little bit, but it's fine. Nothing to worry about. So let's get it started, let's cut it, and let's see how it turns out. And again, I did an offset, so as you guys can see, zoom in a little bit, right there where the blue line, that's where the juice groove is gonna be. So let's check it out. All right, y'all, one thing I forgot to mention, I like to lower the speed on the router just because I don't want too many burn marks. As it is, it's gonna get some, so let's just lower the speed. But let's do it. All right, you guys, so right here, all I'm saying is, take your time, slow down, don't go too crazy. It's not, you don't want to try to finish this as quick as you can because you will mess up. The machine will jump on you. Just anything in general, dude. When you hit those corners, make sure you hit the auto pass, like right there. I messed up. You see how it jumped? That's what you don't want. Luckily, it didn't mess it up or anything like that, but I always, every time I'm doing something like this and I have to hit a corner, you'll see right there when I push the green button. Watch, let's see, right there. Boom. Just let the machine do it. That little transition, and just take your time right there. Just like to keep stuff clean, as you can see, those little burn marks at the bottom of the cutting board too. I think I paused there, maybe that's what did it. But right there, another corner, hit the green button, let the machine do it, take your time, go down. But yeah, that's about it, man. Just take your time. If you have the auto pass, you set your depth, and right there, green one, boom, let it do it, and that's it, man. Just take your time. No rush. Take your time. All right, you guys, so there you go. As you guys can see, I'm gonna go a little bit deeper, one more maybe. But there you go. As you can see, worked out perfect. The little burn marks, no big deal. Almost slowed it down a little bit more right now for the next pass. And but new future for Lightburn. Fantastico. Can't get any better. Lightburn. I just said Lightburn. Sorry, guys. For Shaper Origin. So there you go. I love it. I feel like I'm going to be using this a lot more. So I think the next purchase, or if they want to sponsor me, I'll get that free auto pass to test it out. Let them know how it goes. All right, y'all. Peace.